By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the foundations of transformative learning theory, describe the phases of transformative learning in modern education classroom, define the key elements shaping transformative learning and what makes it effective, evaluate the applications and impact of transformative learning in educational success. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the profound applications and impact of transformative learning theory on modern education, highlighting how it reshapes instructional practices to foster deeper engagement among learners. By examining the key elements and effective strategies that align with instructional goals, educators can create dynamic learning environments that captivate students' interest and encourage critical thinking and reflection. So, let's begin with this question. How can you define transformative learning theory and its impact on quality learning? Transformative learning is a profound and powerful process that can fundamentally reshape an individual's perspective, beliefs, and behaviors. Developed by Jack Mezirow, this influential theory defines transformative learning as the process by which we transform problematic frames of reference, mindsets, habits of mind, meaning perspectives, to make them more inclusive, discriminating, open, reflective, and emotionally able to change. Researchers posit that transformative learning occurs through a series of phases. They state that true learning occurs when individuals critically examine their beliefs, attitudes, and emotional reactions, ultimately reconstructing their meaning perspectives. Engaging in transformative learning can rewire their worldviews, leading to a more self-directed, rational, and empathetic approach to life and learning. The key elements of transformative learning. The key elements of transformative learning work in concert to facilitate profound changes in learners' perspectives and behaviors. 1. Experience. This foundational element serves as the raw material for transformation. Experiences, particularly those that challenge existing beliefs or present new situations, provide the context for learning. They can range from everyday occurrences to significant life events, each offering potential for growth and change. 2. Critical reflection. It involves the deep examination of one's assumptions, beliefs, and values. It goes beyond surface-level thinking to question the very foundations of one's worldview. This element often involves challenging moments of self-doubt and discomfort as learners confront their biases and limitations. 3. Rational discourse. This element emphasizes the social nature of learning. Through dialogue with others, learners can explore different perspectives, test new ideas, and collaboratively construct meaning. Rational discourse provides a supportive environment for challenging assumptions and considering alternative viewpoints, fostering both intellectual and emotional growth. 4. Action. The transformative process culminates in changed behavior. Action involves putting new insights into practice, experimenting with different ways of being, and actively reshaping one's life to align with transformed perspectives. This element bridges the gap between theoretical understanding and lived experience, solidifying the learning process. These elements are not isolated steps but interconnected aspects of a holistic process. They often occur simultaneously and recursively, with each element informing and enriching the others. The dynamic interplay between experience, reflection, discourse, and action creates a powerful synergy that drives deep, lasting transformation in learners. The phases of transformative learning. In the transformative learning theory, there are typical phases that learners follow. These phases are key in helping learners transform their prior notions as they get new information and insight. Disorienting dilemma is a situation where a learner finds that what they thought or believed in the past may not be accurate. This can be the case when a student hears or considers something he may not have understood before. This disorienting dilemma can be uncomfortable or challenging for this student, but is the powerful stimulus that prompts him to engage in critical reflection and seek new perspectives. Self-examination. At this stage, students will engage in self-reflection, evaluating their beliefs and comprehension. They will think about their past experiences and how they relate to the current perplexing situation. This process has the potential to trigger a shift in perspective, enabling individuals to recognize that their viewpoint is not the sole perspective. Critical assessment of assumptions. Transformative learning involves critical self-reflection, where the learner examines their underlying assumptions, values, and meaning structures. This process allows them to identify and challenge their tacit beliefs, leading to a shift in their worldview. Exploration of new roles and perspectives. In transformative learning, exploring and trying to understand changes is key to success. Learners begin to explore alternative viewpoints. This phase is marked by curiosity, experimentation, and a willingness to step into unfamiliar territory. It goes beyond just learning about something, but actively working to understand and experience new things for yourself, planning and implementing new actions. Armed with fresh insights, learners start to envision and enact changes in their lives. This stage involves setting goals, developing strategies, and taking concrete steps to align their actions with their evolving perspectives. Reintegration of new perspectives. Finally, learners incorporate their transformed viewpoints into their everyday lives. This integration often leads to a renewed sense of purpose, enhanced self-awareness, and more authentic relationships with others and the world. Throughout this process, learners may cycle back through earlier stages as they encounter new challenges and insights, making transformative learning an ongoing journey of growth and self-discovery rather than a linear progression. Applications and impact of transformative learning. Transformative learning has far-reaching applications and impacts, extending from individual development to societal change and organizational innovation. 1. Personal growth and self-actualization. Fosters deep self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Catalyzes significant shifts in personal values, beliefs, and life goals. Enhances resilience and adaptability in facing life challenges. Promotes a more authentic and fulfilling life aligned with one's true self. Cultivates lifelong learning attitudes and skills for continuous personal development. 2. Social change and empowerment. Develops critical consciousness about societal issues and power structures. Motivates individuals to challenge oppressive systems and advocate for justice. Enhances empathy and understanding across diverse cultures and perspectives. Fosters community engagement and collective action for social improvement. Supports the development of more inclusive and equitable societies. 3. Organizational development and innovation. Cultivates adaptive and agile mindsets essential for navigating rapidly changing business environments. Promotes creative problem-solving and innovative thinking among employees. Enhances leadership capabilities by fostering self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Facilitates more effective change management processes within organizations. Supports the creation of learning organizations that continuously evolve and improve. The applications of transformative learning in these areas are interconnected, creating a ripple effect where personal transformations can lead to organizational changes, which in turn can contribute to broader societal shifts. This multi-level impact underscores the potent role of transformative learning in driving meaningful change across various domains of human experience and social structures. Future directions and emerging trends. The future of transformative learning is dynamic and promising, with emerging trends that expand its scope and relevance in our rapidly evolving world. 1. Integration with other learning theories. Blending with neuroscience to understand the brain's role in perspective transformation. Incorporating elements of positive psychology to enhance well-being through transformative experiences. Merging with social learning theories to explore collective transformation in communities. Integrating with embodied cognition to examine the role of physical experiences in perspective shifts. Synthesizing with complexity theory to address transformative learning in unpredictable, dynamic systems. 2. Technology and transformative learning. Leveraging virtual and augmented reality to create immersive, perspective-challenging experiences. Utilizing artificial intelligence to personalize transformative learning journeys. Exploring the potential of social media and online communities for fostering critical discourse. Developing digital tools for self-reflection and critical analysis. Investigating the impact of emerging technologies on identity formation and worldview shifts. 3. Global perspectives and cross-cultural applications. Expanding research to include non-Western perspectives on transformation and learning. Examining how cultural contexts influence the transformative learning process. Exploring transformative learning's role in addressing global challenges like climate change and inequality. Developing culturally responsive approaches to facilitating transformative experiences. Investigating how transformative learning can foster intercultural competence and global citizenship. Conclusion. Transformative learning is a profound and dynamic process that empowers individuals to transcend their existing mindsets and embrace new perspectives. The need for individuals capable of critical reflection, perspective transformation, and adaptive action has never been more urgent. Transformative learning equips learners with the cognitive and emotional tools to manage this complexity, fostering resilience, empathy, and innovative thinking. It challenges students to move beyond surface-level adaptations and instead engage in deep, structural shifts in our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This approach to learning is not just about acquiring new knowledge, it's about fundamentally altering how we construct meaning from our experiences. Moreover, as our global society struggles with issues of sustainability, social justice, and cultural understanding, the empathetic and perspective-taking capacities developed by transformative learning become crucial for fostering dialogue, collaboration, and collective problem-solving. By promoting personal growth that surges outward to affect social and organizational change, transformative learning offers a pathway to creating more just, sustainable, and inclusive communities. As we look to the future, the principles of transformative learning will likely play an increasingly vital role in education, leadership development, and social innovation, helping to shape a world where continuous learning, critical reflection, and perspective transformation become not just ideals, but essential practices for thriving in the 21st century and beyond.